Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload new videos. Today we'll be exploring tropical jackfruit. You have so many options to make this whole living foods and fitness lifestyle fun, exciting, and sustainable at any age. Stay tuned.
Greetings, this is Body-Culinary and I have here a jackfruit. So this is just picked off of a neighbor's tree. It's like huge. This one, usually they can be very green, almost like the color of the leaf, like a green, sometimes yellowish tint. And yeah, so this one is like fully ripe. It's huge. It's got to be like, I don't know, 10 pounds or something. So I probably gave her about $4 US. So I'm gonna crack it open. It's fresh cracked, and it smells to me like juicy fruit gum. Anyone who's ever had juicy fruit gum out there? And this tropical fruit, you gotta eat it before it goes bad, and the sugars ferment, right? Because then all the ants and flies and bugs and creatures are gonna come and get their piece. So I'm gonna cut this open. Cut this open. Let's get a nice serrated knife. It's a huge jackfruit. And there's a smaller variety that's a non-sweet one that has more of a white flesh, but this has more of a yellow flesh to it. So it smells like juicy fruit gum. And then the fiber you have, these are the seeds. I think one just came out when I cut it. Really super slippery. And then this is the part that you eat here, this yellow piece. So my sister should be super excited. So also, when it's not ripe, this would be like, it's literally like chewing gum. It's literally like chewing gum in your hand. I don't know if you can see. It's like a chewing gum. The less ripe it is, the more it's like a gum. It's super delicious, and it's super pricey in the States. So I'm taking advantage of this local fruit, and you know, just keep in mind, nature is going to give you something no matter what environment you're in. It's always going to be some treat that Mother Nature is going to hook you up with, or some local healing herb. So, I'm going to just like I can inspect the fruit and smell the fruit. So it smells like juicy fruit gum. I'm going to take a piece out of it.
So this is a piece of the flesh of the jackfruit. So this part is not like juicy fruit gum. It's super yummy.
So I'm gonna cut this out. It's so hot here. Now we're not gonna get to, well, yeah, we will get to all this fruit. We're not gonna waste it. But these are some of my other finds from the market today. So I have a mame. This is the same farmer that gave me the jackfruit. This is not ripe yet. This is like sweet potato pie in the fruit. And then we've got so many mangoes. This is a koyaba. I thought these were finished, but somebody else bought these off of their tree. And then I have a nice soursop and a papaya, which is ripe. That's a lot of fruit. You got to get a lot of greens in it. Oh, it's got my jaw. Papaya or dragon fruit. Avocado pear. So they're different kinds. These are the really rich ones. They remind me of like a roti. And then I got some cantaloupe. And of course, a staple is bananas. And there's so many different types of mangoes that we have, but that's our little that's our little feast that we have. We also, I did get a couple of pineapples because I use a lot of pineapples. here. Got a couple of pineapples. All right. And squash that's from a friend's garden or her compost. And loads of coconuts. So this is just some of the goodies that we have here. This is a whole nother variety of mango. And so we got to use these before they go bad. And then there's a full belly mango or belly full mango. And these are just my sprouts. So there's so much going on with these living foods. There are so many treats. There's so many treats. There's no reason to cheat. Fruit, I would say, is one of the easiest things to eat and to enjoy. You just want to balance it out with plenty of green for the minerals. These have plenty of calories, plenty of nutrients, plenty of fiber, plenty of antioxidants. You want to balance that out with a bit more protein. You can have sprouting over there, as well as good fats, which I wouldn't say low fat, but I can kind of feel and pace my way there. Particularly, I eat lots of coconuts and avocados, and so that's fats and it's protein, and then what I'm eating is full of nutrition. At this point right now, I'm fortunate that I'm growing a decent amount of greens. I don't have to buy greens from the market, and I also have a good amount of okra, which is a staple. So everybody can grow something. Everybody can grow something. So I'm going to tear into this jackfruit. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe so you can be notified of whenever I upload a new video. Check out the puppet series, Sister Butterfly and Sister Monkey Learn to Eat Better. And if you'd like private coaching into, just to answer all your questions and all the nuances, whether you're single or a different stage of life or a parent, and you want to make sure that you're balancing out a plant-based diet, which is really a lifestyle. Whatever label you want to call yourself, everyone can benefit from eating tremendous amounts of whole, fresh, unprocessed living fruits, vegetables, meats, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices, especially when they're fresh. They have so much flavor and so much nutrition packed into them. So it takes care of so much: skin, constipation, balancing out your weight, all while you're enjoying all of this fresh food. So you get your protein from whatever source you like. I like the plant source. You gotta do what works for you and what's giving you the most results, right? And I really like to focus on cruelty-free. So share the video with someone could use some inspiration. Come join me in the garden. And as always, for living food jam sessions, check out the book, which you can download on the website, body-culinary.com. Whole living foods in the hood with menus to fit your budget. So you have all different types of price shops in bulk, and for individuals, different price points, and with menu ideas on what to prepare with all of that food that you're getting at the wholesaler or at the food co-op or at your farmer's market. And there's also natural beauty, no products, right? So I really facilitated my skin clearing up with quite a case of acne from using whole, fresh living foods, not even any products on my skin. So this is what I'm consuming on the inside, and pretty much a lot of what I eat is what I put on my hair and my skin. It has really freed up my life in terms of toss the shower caddy, and I just don't feel a slave to products. It's like I'm not a slave to products anymore. My hair is product free. My skin is also product free, and that is a super relief. See you soon in another video. So everybody can grow something.